So we have a DVD drive. Put that in my scrap pile. Now I should be close to being able to pop the motherboard out. Okay, so that's annoying. These things are holding the motherboard in, so let's remove those. I really can't wait to sort all this stuff out to see what 5 motherboards are going to bring me money-wise. It's gonna be annoying. Let's just try to break this. Or do it like this. I almost have one out. That's I forgot that these old laptops, they do that for some reason. Almost there. I really can't wait to separate each thing into its own pile and go through everything. Should be fun to see. And I found another screw right there. And this one has a lot of screws. There you go. Let's just get this cable here, and we got ourselves a nice motherboard. Pretty heavy. And we got another here. I'm not sure what this is. Some kind of reader. Let's see what's in there. Motherboard. And then we got the fan for the copper bearing.